Hello, today I'm going to be building the blacksmith, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah. I am going to put a hole so you can actually, like, go through. There's going to be a hole right here that's going to be the basement, so you can go there and unlock and get the secrets, get to the secret stuff. So, yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna put a wall there because there's gonna be a bunch of wiring there, so that's why. I'm not gonna do the wiring just yet. I'm gonna actually do the wiring, uh, like that much is gonna be. Anyways, now I do actually want to make something. That's this. One of those like things that have a bunch of like coal and other stuff. I don't know how I'm gonna like really make that. I think bushes. Bushes seem to be the best bet. And then I just color. Then I just put like some wood onto it. And yeah. Oh, look, Timmy's here.
Feel the rain on your skin, knowing how to feel it more.
Wow.
Bro, I'm trying to build a digital circus and I need blue. I don't have blue. I need your help.
Take the blue. Which dye is? But there's like
Dark blue.
Dark blue. Is this good?
Yes.
It's probably just rough. You need more?
Where have you been? I'm shoving it down your throat.
Filming videos.
No, you have not. Because every time I called you on your VR, you haven't been answering and you haven't been on Deeps. So where have you
I
been?
realized I accidentally left my VR on throughout the night. So when I put my VR on, I was like, oh, I left this on.
Remember, Landon, it never said you were online on Yeeps or you were online on your medicine. Where were you?
I was in my bed sleeping.
No, you were not, because I called you in the afternoon and then the morning.
Well, I woke up at 1. That's literally what I woke up.
I called you in the morning. I mean the afternoon.
I woke up at 1 and I didn't.
Oopsie daisy.
Color it.
I accidentally painted it blue.
I'm working on this blacksmith, and this is probably going to be very hard.
Help me! I'm gonna shove this up your butt, and then you're gonna puke it out, and then I'm gonna shove it down.
Why is it fully green now? Why is it fully
You need help?
I think I could fix it.
No,
There we go. Problem solved. Now
help me build my digital circus. I don't even have half of it done.
my eardrums are getting exploded. I just need to build this. Oh wow.
My voice is gonna sound off just because I've been screaming.
Oh my god. I was wondering why it kind of sounded a little off.
I destroyed it.
You destroyed it already? Little Timmy. Little Timmy
I thought it was gonna be stripped open, but instead, yeah.
Yeah.
Pain.
The pain and misery. Okay.
You should paint these red. Paint these red.
No, I'm not painting it. I'm
making black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
I'm not gonna paint them just yet.
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and... What is this supposed to be?
That's
a baby's bathtub!
That's the basement.
I think there's a floor.
Wow.
I don't think that's a basement, bro.
Nice aggravation. I said
Yeah. You guys should I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
I'm going into the... What did you even put in there?
Not my paint! Give me my paint back! My voice is just gone.
Yeah,
I hate it.
You sound like you're like. You sound like you.
And if it gets really bad, I have to keep coughing.
Yeah, it sounds like you're already at the point of coughing. Oh, there it is.
No, that was just that's less.
No, that's
my
less.
worst one. It sounds like a demon coming inside of me.
Yeah. I can understand that. Everyone can probably understand that. Even if it's sick.
Even worse than that cough.
Wow, even worse. The pain is now gone, so.
It still hurts.
And eat.
What is this?
What is that?
Oh.
What is that? Take your paint and get.
Okay. Wait, I also need a transfer where you're able to make the ground go tinier. Your grass is blue now.
Oh my
voice.
Oh my god, you sound like you're slowly dying. You probably might as well be.
Feel the rain on your skin. No,
take this. Taste it. No, not
take
taste
the
it.
ditty? Okay.
What?
Taste
No,
it?
take this also. Take that also.
Ah! I can't carry 3 things.
Then carry it with your mouth. Oh. Which one do you want?
Which one's better?
They do two different things.
Cause I also need to make it like one where I still have like room down there, so I can make endless.
Oh,
this one. Then I want this one.
No, this one.
I'm gonna crash out.
Gonna crash out on.
What does this one do then? Oh, sorry. I'll put it back up.
Oh my god.
We're dead. I'm just gonna use my speed boost. Oh, I basically hit my head. My blood went up to my head, bro. That hurt. I accidentally painted your thing blue. What are you doing? Stop! Give me the block I need, please.
Okay, take it.
Not that.
What do you want from me?
God dang it, the other one. Thank you. Oh, thank you. No! Thank you. Love you.
I can't. Look at me, that little too funny. No, I'm gonna work on the basement. And now I just have to cover up this side. I feel like I don't know why I'm doing it like this. I feel like not a lot of people would actually go over here. And I do want to actually make it leveled. So I am actually, but how did I say it? I'm gonna actually, I'm just gonna cover it up and just paint it. That's what I actually do with all, and that's what the grass is actually gonna look like, because this is supposed to be a jungle theme. Well, Timmy, are you back?
Landon! You kind of have to come with me.
Why?
And because some of the items are banned, and then I need the other block. And then the other block back because I accidentally sold it.
Okay, you know what?
Landon's gonna kill me. Landon's gonna kill me after this video.
Yeah, you're probably right. You know what? I'm placing 2 of every single block that you would need. What do you mean one of them?
I don't need these!
Take one.
Just come with me.
Take.
I also need the paintbrush. But I can't carry it!
Then go drop it off to your place, and then... Oh, buckwoods.
Please!
I need to film a video.
Oh my god! Bro, is this thing from Minecraft?
No, it's not for Minecraft.
Ah! 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 I'm being dramatic.
Okay.
Is that supposed to be a temple for Minecraft?
No.
Ah!
Wow, it's like that one time in
I'm not
Marvel
here
where
anymore,
Fortnite-
okay?
No, it's,
I'm a ghost. I'm a ghost.
it's the Maya. It's the Mayas. It's the Mayas, the ancient civilization. You place that so wrong. You can go through blocks.
Feel the rain on your skin. No rain on skin. You have to come with me!
Well, I have to do. Yeah. What are you, a piece of grass?
Yeah.
I can't. A piece of.
I wish a Latino would come somewhere on my face. Can't come on, cool the balls.
don't
And I'd say the protein part out of a trash can.
I don't even know what he's saying. Can you please get out my room? Well, look at me. I thought you had stuff to do. The phone was like short, but not that
Hey,
short.
don't get me! Ah.
I was
Bro,
like,
my voice is cooked.
yeah, you sound good. Bro sounds good. I don't even know if that's a word. Bro sounds good. Oh, now you're going insane. I'm shouting insanity left.
You want to know something funny?
What?
The digital circus is where the characters go crazy.
Wow, guys.
That's why I'm going crazy.
Wow, guys, did you do that? Did you?
And the thing has to be like 6 feet tall.
6 feet.
Maybe
6
more.
feet. 6 feet. Nah, 6 feet.
It's about like 20 feet.
About 20 feet. I can't.
It's about like 6, 7.
Oh. No. The voice cut off was so funny.
Oh my god! Oh, that hurt.
Then stop hurting.
That scream hurt.
Then stop.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Then stop hurting. Problem solved, guys. If you're
I wish a
dying,
Latino would come to read on my face.
then I don't know. If you're dying,
If you feel sick, just don't feel sick.
that advice was
It's
that advice was so good that I now can combust.
Whoa, what you mean about that? You're gonna what? You're gonna what?
I'm
You're gonna what?
blow up.
Oh yeah. I thought you meant something else. Nothing.
I don't think we have a lot of room. My God, you're giving the guys. If you need 15 implant strands and also 15 different bleaches to go into your eye after this video, Little Timmy's all responsible.
If you guys go death or if you get a headache, blame Landon. Don't blame me.
No, blame him 100%. Oh my God, he's not dead. Oh man.
Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it more than. I forgot the lyrics.
Then stop.
Ow!
Then start.
I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. I'ma put my armor on.
I don't know what he's saying anymore.
I'm invincible. Yeah, I won every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries today.
You
I'm
don't
so
need batteries
confident.
today.
Yeah, I'm unstoppable today.
You're unstoppable today.
Unstoppable
So what's
today,
tomorrow gonna
yay.
be like?
Unstoppable today.
Okay, he wasn't unstoppable today, I guess. He was unstoppable tomorrow.
I'm unstoppable.
He's still
I'm
not
put
alive.
my armor on. I'm invincible.
Wow, you're so
Yeah.
unstoppable, mate.
Oh,
You're so
I'm
unstoppable.
unstoppable. I'ma put my armor on.
The way I
I'm
said you're so
invincible.
irresponsible. I didn't even say that right. You're
I'm
so
unemployed.
Right.
I'm unstoppable.
I'm just trying to make
I'ma
it to
put
lose
my
his voice.
armor on.
No, get off, get off, get off. Stay away. Stay away.
I'm unstoppable.
You're not
I'ma
unstoppable.
put my armor on.
He's coming.
Every single day. I'm so confident. Yeah, I don't need batteries.
Oh, bro's dead.
I'm so confident.
No,
Yeah,
no,
I'm
get off.
unstoppable today.
He's coming.
Unstoppable
I'm
today.
invincible.
Unstoppable today.
I can't.
Unstoppable today.
What about tomorrow?
I'm unstoppable forever.
What about?
Oopsie days.
What about? Yeah, little Timmy doesn't know. You can't trick the master. What?
I'm not dying without a fight.
Oh, well then you did. Are you okay? Are you okay?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
No.
You want to come down? Come on.
Okay.
Don't you want your thing? Bye.
Bye bye. Have a great time. You say.
See
You
nothing?
decide to say.
I see nothing, so yeah.
We decide to say. Yo, wait. Wait.
Yeah, little Timmy, you might need to get ironed. I don't even know.
We say. Hello.
Hello. Oh, bye. You said bye. So.
Ah!
Oh, you're saying dead. Oh, let me replace that for you. You're welcome.
You suck.
But you're chilling up there. I'm chilling down. What? No.
Okay, can I have the other block back?
Yeah.
You seriously thought?
No, I didn't thought. Scared.
Scared of you.
I'm gonna replace this block. You almost went through the floor, and I didn't even mean to do that. Need to cut eyes on you. I can't. Come on, I think you would love it. I think you would love it.
No! Oh my god.
Ow! I'm free. Bye. I'm free. Bye. Oh, don't grab it. This would be the funnest game.
No. Can I have the other block?
Yeah. Just give me 1 second. Okay, let me give you the other block. There you go. Why does he keep expecting something?
Sorry.
You're not sorry. You're
I'm trying to get a speed boost potion so it's faster.
You might be
Yeah,
sorry.
your map's a little cooked.
Now, you see, you see,
Bye-bye, Candy.
you see what 2 plus 2 is, right, guys? Now, you see, little Timmy, he knows. I don't know. And now we can actually get onto the. That's what we're gonna get onto. Anyways, as I was planning about nothing, I'm gonna put. Yeah, I'm gonna put. Yep. Anyways, let me actually get the stuff that I would need. So I need this plus this. You can then get this. Loud boom sound effect. I can't. Oh my god. It's amazing. Anyways, time to put a sword up there. Yeah, you're probably wondering, a sword? How are you gonna do that? And I have no idea. Never ask that question, please, because I don't know. Perfect. 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 Why is that actually kind of a banger? Perfect. 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 Wait, why does he kind of look like the... That's just funny. It kind of looks like the... Yep. I don't know what to call it. Yep. I don't know what to call it. This looks like a lightsaber. Imagine he actually adds a lightsaber to the game. Which the time is gonna be like 3 minutes, so yeah. We probably have like maybe a couple of days left. That's the new bundle probably. New lightsaber bat. Even though they technically already released one, but that's more of like a plasma blade. But what's wrong? Why can't I place this? What's blocking? Oh, it's nothing at all. And now we can finally place these and look at our equation and wonder how is gravity doing. But you know what? It's gonna be like screwed onto there. Yes, it's actually screwed. The handlebar is actually screwed onto there. Those are some tough screws, I guess. Maybe we can just like. Maybe we can just. Wow, whoever wields this long sword, I guess, really has, I guess, a very. Wait, no. There we go. I guess you can hold it by the rim and it looks like a complete abomination. But at least it's not touching the signal anymore. We're just gonna actually just do that. anyways. To add light to this place, I'm gonna make lanterns. No, not that. I meant like this. Give me 1 second. There we go. It looks weird, but with enough coloring, it's gonna look terrible as ever. Perfect. I don't even know what I just said. Anyways. So if you put 2 turrets, you get mega turret. Now, if you place 2 turrets, yep, you get better turret. Anyone shocked yet? Cause I'm not. I don't know. Okay. So I did it. I don't know. And now all I have to do is just place one. Place one of that. No, one of that. One of this. And then this will be completed. Yes. And now it's fully completed. Not the thing. Not definitely not the thing. Definitely not the thing. Anyways, at least we have this. Now let's actually put the stuff that you can actually get. Now, bear trap. Well, I want to be able to get a bear trap and a landmine. Now, try the thing. There's quite a lot of items. Yeah, you can get fire. Yeah, you can get fire axe. Guess what? You can get a gun. And if you need stuff, you can get a flare gun. And then, and since a lot of people don't know this is one of the most overpowered weapons, you can get it. Now time to actually put the stuff in there. Now, so since pillow blocks would be the main thing you have to get. Anyways, so you need this, but hear me out. It's gonna be gunpowder. Yes, good. And then I got the red powder. Maybe we could color that actually. Radioactive power. Now let's see if it works if I put one of these in there. There we go, and it doesn't work. Perfect. Now to get that stuff, it's gonna be iron powder. And also tough. No, so to get this, you just need iron, and this is gonna be gunpowder and iron fused together. So yeah. Anyways, to get a gun, you need gunpowder, and then this is what. Oh wait. And what gunpowder is gonna look like? It's gonna be this. It's gonna It actually looks like this. the difference in color. No wait, no. I have an idea for gunpowder. We color it the exact same. No, the fire axe. You need iron for that stuff. You get iron. And for that you need fire, so get fire. So there we go, we got it out. We got everything out. And I would like it for you can actually fuse things together to get things and also make this way more bigger. So yeah. And also I do want to cover up this because kind of a little weird and a lot weirder over here actually because things are different colors. So yeah, and you can still check this out. Like there's nothing blocking you. So yeah, if you do want to check this out, you could. And little Timmy's back.
I have to go back to the movie to see what the color of the floor was. Where are you?
Literally
so I can see what the color of the floor is for my thing, but I also need blue.
You need blue?
Yeah.
Blue, okay, I got you. Here's blue. You need any other types of paint?
Thing is, I have to watch the movie again, or just like see what the floor is for the circus.
What do you mean by watching the movie? Did they release all the shows on Netflix already?
No, the thing I'm building, the digital circus, is a movie. That's how I got the idea.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, do you like this?
No. Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up.
But anyways, you can get these items by like...
Yeah.
By going into the mines. So yeah. And paint and brushes are gonna be not allowed in this map because you can just
paint them and get it. Yeah, I already know that.
Yippee! But there is something that you're supposed to actually get. And if you come down here, you can get better turrets.
Dad, shut!
Get up! Well, listen, turrets, get him! Get him! Nah, get out. You're getting fired, all of you. All of your turrets are getting fired.
They like me.
They like you?
Is this the Stranger Things movie theme song?
What do you mean? How does this connect to Stranger Things?
It just sounded like that. Go away real fast.
That's what this sounds like.
They're not mad at me. Look, they're not mad at me. Come out here. They're not mad at me. Now come out here. They seriously hate you.
Wait, go out there. Go next to them. I guess they don't hate you. Why do you hate me? No, they actually hate me. They do not care about you, though. Dude, I guess... Why does everything like you?
Nah, the Yeast mobile app doesn't like me.
Yeah, or I guess for the stage you that.
Come in front of him.
Maybe they're a little friendly when I'm up. They literally try so hard.
They do not care about me.
Maybe they're protecting me. Think about it. Paint that back.
Oopsie daisy.
Paint it. Paint. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna color that a different color anyway, so yeah. Bro, that was
stupid. You're trash. You think I'm scared of you?
I
Like,
did not
see,
think.
they like me more.
Let's put it in play mode and see what they do.
Oh, heck.
Oh, they don't like you anymore. They don't like you.
They don't like you.
What are you talking about? They don't do any damage to me.
They don't either. You're cheating!
Wow, they do nothing. Go, go, go! Yippee! Friendly
You guys
fire!
suck, you know. You guys suck at your job. You gotta get stronger. Okay, guys. This is
Oh,
practice.
dude! Oh!
You guys need to get stronger,
Oh,
okay, guys? You guys
bam,
gotta get
oh.
stronger. You guys
Guys-
can't always be doing this, okay?
Yeah, you guys gotta get stronger. Unless you're
Here,
not.
take this and take this. I'll be back. Okay, now shoot me. You guys are stoic! You're gonna die!
Oh my! They haven't even done. TNT, if people were actually smart in horror movies. That's the gun! I got a gun!
Ah!
Ah! Oh no, it's the horror guy! Wait, I have a gun! I shot! Oh, 360 jump!
You wanna know why ghosts are scared? You wanna know why the ghosts in haunted houses are scared of Mexicans? You wanna know why? Someone literally got up, turned into a Karate Kid, saw a ghost head, jumped up in the air, did a side flip and kicked the ghost right in the head.
Wow, beautiful.
One grabbed the broom, smashed it right into the ghost's head, and he's like, "Wow, Renato, stop!"
Wait, guys, what is little Timmy talking about? Stop. Yeah.
So, do you want to come to my camera?
Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video and this new
Wait, before you
house
end it,
and